Hello student, this is chapter 4 heat and cold. We come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. Tea is hot and ice is cold. Temperature. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. The temperature is stated in its unit. Thermometer. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. Thermometer are of two types, clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. The temperature should always be stated with its unit degrees Celsius. Precaution using the clinical thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after the use. Ensure that the mercury is in below 35 degrees Celsius. Reading the mercury level along the line of sight. Don't hold thermometer bulb while reading. Laboratory thermometer. Some thermometers are used in the laboratories to measure the temperature of the objects. Such thermometers are called laboratory thermometers. The range of the laboratory thermometer is generally from the minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Precaution taken while using the laboratory thermometer. The thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted. The bulb should be surrounded by all the sides by the substance of which the temperature is measured. Bulb should not be touched the surface of the container. Now, these are days we use the digital thermometer to measure the temperature of our body. Transfer of heat. Conduction. The process by which the heat is transferred from one hotter end to the colder end of an object is known as conduction. The solid heat is transferred by the process of conduction. Conductors. The material which allow heat to pass through them easily are called conductors. Example, aluminium, iron and copper. Insulators. The material which do not allow the pass through the heat are from one end to another end are called the poor conductors or known as the insulators. Some examples are plastic, wood and paper, etc. Friction. When we heat water, the flame gets hot. Hot water rises up, the cold water from the sides moves down towards the source of heat. This process is continuous till the whole water gets heated. This mode of heat transfer is known as convection. Convection is a heat transfer process in liquids. Radiation. When we come out in the sun, we feel warm. It cannot reach us as conduction or convection, as there is a medium such as air in the most of the space between the earth and the surface of the sun. The heat from the sun comes to us by another process known as radiation. Radiation mode of transfer is heat does not require any medium, and so it is called the radiation. People living in the coastal areas experience an interesting phenomena. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the water. The air over the land becomes hotter and rises up. The cooler air from the sea up towards the land to take its place. Thus, the warmer air from the land moves around the sea, complete the cycle. The air from sea breeze is called a sea breeze. At the night, it exactly reverses the process. The water cools down more slowly than that land. So, the cool air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. All hot bodies radiate heat. When the heat falls on some objects, a part of it is reflected, a part is absorbed, and a part may be transmitted. As on study of colors, we found that the dark colors or black colors absorb more heat as compared to the light or white colors. In winter, we use woolen cloths. Wool is a poor conductor of heat. Therefore, air is trapped in the wool fibers. This air prevents the heat from our body and to the surroundings, so we feel warmth. You may download the question answers from the description box, and here are the notes of the chapter heat. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos.